Hello everyone! So today, ipapakita ko kung paano ako mag-facial at home. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. So para walang sagabal sa mukha, itali ang buhok. So my first step is exfoliating gel. Peeling gel to kaya magpipil siya. Pupunasan ko na siya ng wipes. Next, kakayurin ko na yung mga blackheads, whiteheads. Pwede rin kayong gumamit yung mga blackheads, whiteheads na mask. Ngayon, I will wash my face. Next, I will put eye mask on my under eye. After the eye mask, of course, the face mask. While I have sheet mask on my face, I love to massage it. Papatuyuin ko muna siya bago ako mag-proceed sa next step. So this is my next after facial mask. If I'm not mistaken, parang ito yung toner ng Japan. Ang tawag nila lotion. Of course, moisturizer. I will use Hada Labo. Meron na ata nito sa Philippines. And for my last step, eye cream. I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe. I will see you on my next one. Thank you for watching.